Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here today to let you know that I am going to be doing my first ever Stitch-Mania. I am going to be participating in Stitch-Mania 2019, and I am so excited about this. I decided 2 or 3 days ago to go ahead and join in, and I'm going to be going over what I'm going to be working on, showing you, and then telling you how I'm going to be doing it. First off, on a regular basis, I have 4 whips, and I only do 4 whips at a time. Anything over that is a little overwhelming for me, and I don't like to have stuff started and just lingering. I like to be able to work on touch everything and get my projects done. So when I work on a whip, I work on them for 2 days. And then I will do another one, 2 days, 2 days. And then on Sunday, I work on one piece only on Sundays. So that's how my regular rotation goes. Okay, so what I have decided to do for Stitch-Mania is I have decided to take 3 of my 4 projects, and I am going to work on each of those projects for 5 days in a row. So I'm only going to do Stitch-Mania from the 1st of May until through the 15th of May. So each one of my cross-stitch pieces will get 5 days. And I should be able to make really, really good progress by doing it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and show you which ones I'm going to work on, and when in those 15 days I will be working on them. So the first one that I will be working on the 1st through the 5th is going to be the Saturday evening post. And I have really enjoyed working on this one. It's a fun stitch. I am way over here now, coming down to this little boy. So I'm hoping to get all of this finished up here and be starting on the boy during Stitch-Mania. Okay, so here I am right now. Let me get this fixed so you guys can see. Okay, here it is right now. And as you can see, I have this to fill in, and then it starts on the boy. So I'm hoping to get at least maybe to the boy's face, or finish the boy's face in those 5 days. So this is the first project, the 1st through the 5th. And this is also the piece that I am doing for Ginger Gerald's large completion finish competition. I think it's what it's called. So this is my entry. So I'm hoping that by working those 5 days on this, that I will be able to make some good progress toward that competition. And this is worked on 14 count cream Aida. So that is going to be May 1st through May 5th. And then what I'm going to work on the 6th through the 10th is from Busilla, and it's Afternoon Nap. And this is only a 5x7, but it is full coverage. So this is going to be my second one that I am working on. And this is where I'm at. So I don't have a lot done on this at all. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be working on. So I hope that 5 days you will see a lot of progress on this. And this is worked on 18 count white Aida, which came in the kit. So this is going to be the 6th through the 10th piece. And my last piece, which will be the 11th through the 15th, will be the Mirabilia Raven Queen. And this one is worked on 16 count pewter Aida. And this is where I'm at now on it. And so I am really hoping to, I've pretty much got the sides, both sides are pretty much done. So I am contemplating if I'm going to go on down on the sides or then start her. I'm still debating on that, but we will see what I come up with in those 5 days. So that's where I'm at on this one. And this one will be the 6th, or the 11th through the 15th. This will be my last one. And what I will do is I will come on at the end of my 5 days and I will show you what I was able to complete during each of my 5 days working on each project. So you will see me 3 more times during the month. You will see me on the 5th, on the 10th, and then the 15th. And what I'm going to do is on Instagram, I will show my daily progress for Stitch-Maynia on Instagram. So if you're interested to see how much each day I do, then make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's catcrazycreations _ crafts. catcrazycreations _ crafts. And make sure to follow me and you will be able to see my daily progress on each piece. So anyway, that is all I have for this time. I just wanted to show you the projects I would be working on and how I was going to do Stitch-Maynia. If I enjoy doing it, the Stitch-Maynia, then I more than likely will participate again. But I didn't want to get too involved in it until I seen how I was going to like it. So that's what I'll be working on. I hope you guys will follow me along on the Stitch-Maynia journey. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what you've seen, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, make sure to like and share the video. I would appreciate it. I will see you guys on my next video. Take care.